Hi everyone, this is Miss Farwa. Welcome to my channel. Today I have a very interesting and simple scratch program. You can make this program by using only 4 blocks. So just follow the steps. First of all, I am going to show you the output of the program so you can have enough interest to build it up. Now we can use this green flag button to run the program. Look at this. When I press the button, now you can see that my sprite is following the mouse pointer. You can see a small arrow. Wherever I move this arrow, the star is moving in the same direction. So it means it is following the mouse pointer. So in this way, you can move your sprite anywhere in the stage by using the mouse pointer. So I hope that it is understandable. In order to make such program, you need only 4 commands. And if you don't know from where you can find the commands, so follow the steps. I will be deleting the sprite and then we can start from the beginning. First, you have to go here and choose a sprite. For my program, I'm using a star sprite, so I will go to the search bar and write down a star at the top. Once you select your sprite, if you see that the size is small, so you can go to the size option here and instead of 100, make it 200. So it will be a little bigger now. Next, you have to go to the next button here, choose a backdrop. I have chosen a galaxy backdrop for my program. It's up to you. You have lot of choices here. You can choose any one backdrop you like. Now, once we are done with our sprite settings and the backdrop, let's make a script. For this, you have to go to the events and then choose this block when green flag clicked. This block is going to help your program run when you press this green flag button. Next is your control. In the control, you have to use this forever loop because you want your program to keep running until you press the stop button here. Next, go to motion, and in the motion we need 2 more blocks. One is the point towards mouse pointer. This block is going to help your sprite to to move towards the arrow. Wherever you are moving the arrow, it will move towards the mouse pointer. Okay, next is your movement, how your star is going to move. So for this you need the move 10 step command over here, but instead of 10 is a larger number. It can make your sprite move quickly. If you see the result, I will play and you can see that it is moving very fast. So I need the star to move a little slow. For this I'm going to change this number. First stop it from here and then change this number to 5, and let's see the result. Press the green flag, and now if you will move the mouse pointer, you can see that the movement is a little slow. So it's up to you with what is the speed you want for your star or your sprite to move. You can set that number. If you want more slow, then you can change this 5 to 2. The smaller number means the slower speed. I'm playing this. Now you can see that the star is too slow. So this is how you can make this simple program using only these 4 blocks. I hope you will be trying it at home. This is very interesting. And for more fun programs, stay tuned, stay connected, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Bye bye.